Percy the Small Engine and the Scarf. It was an icy morning on the island of Sodor, and everyone was wearing scarves. Percy was so cold he wished he had one too. "I want a scarf! I want a scarf!" he sang as he pulled the coaches along. The next morning, Percy shivered as he went to pick up his coaches. Percy's driver always shut off steam before going into the station. Ahead, some porters were just about to take a trolley load of luggage across the line. Percy was so quiet they didn't hear him coming. At the last minute the porters saw Percy and jumped clear, but the trolley disappeared with a crunch. Bags and boxes flew everywhere. "Ow!" said Percy, as a pair of striped trousers coiled right round his funnel. Angry passengers came to look at their broken cases. The fat controller picked up his torn jacket. "Mine," he said. "I'll never be able to wear it again." "Percy," thundered the fat controller, "you have ruined my new jacket and my best trousers. We must pay all the passengers for their spoilt clothes. You asked for a scarf and now you've got one. Keep my trousers." Percy wore the trousers back to the yard. He doesn't like scarves now.